What if I told you that you could unlock Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity, and over 20 other premium AI models completely free for an entire year? Not a trial, not a demo, the actual paid versions. And you don't need a credit card, you don't need to pay anything, and you don't need to do anything complicated. All you need is a handful of friends willing to click one link. I know how that sounds. Every day, there's some new free AI hack video promising the world and delivering nothing but disappointment. So today, I'm not just going to tell you about this. I'm going to show you, live on my own screen, exactly how this works, exactly what you get, and exactly how long it takes. If it's fake, you'll see it fail in real time. If it's real, you'll watch a free year of premium AI access unlock right in front of you. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to show you a bonus feature hidden inside this platform that almost nobody talks about. It lets you build your own custom AI assistant using any of these free models. So don't skip ahead. So what exactly is this platform? It's called Jarvis, and at its core, it's an AI copilot that gives you one single chat window where you can access dozens of the world's top AI models instead of paying separately for ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, and Perplexity Pro, which together can cost you $60 a month or more. Normally, this comes at a price. Jarvis has a premium subscription, just like any other AI tool. But here's the part that makes this video worth your time. Jarvis is currently running a referral program that lets you unlock that entire premium subscription for free, just by inviting a few friends. This isn't some shady third-party trick or a broken workaround. This is a feature built directly into the platform, sitting right here in the sidebar. And unlike a lot of these so-called free AI deals that quietly limit you to some outdated, weaker version of a model, this one gives you the actual current versions people are paying for right now. Let me show you exactly where to find it and exactly how it works. Before I switch over to my screen, quick heads up, I've already dropped the direct link and every step I'm about to show you in the description box below, so you don't need to pause and write anything down. Step 1. Go to jarvis.cx and sign up for a free account. This takes less than 30 seconds, you just need an email. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar, click on Referral. This is where everything happens. Right at the top, you'll see a banner. Right now, Jarvis is running what they call a referral flash event, and there's literally a countdown timer on it. This is time sensitive, so if you're watching this within the next few days, you're catching this at the best possible moment. Here's exactly how the rewards work. Invite 3 friends, and you unlock 1 month of premium completely free. Invite 7 friends, and you unlock a full year of premium. That's Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity, Gemini, and everything else unlocked for 12 months for the cost of 7 people clicking a link. Below that, you'll see your unique referral link. Just click Copy Link with Message, and you can send it anywhere: WhatsApp, Instagram, email, group chats. There are also direct share buttons for Facebook, Twitter, and email if you want to post it directly. The process is simple. You share your link. Your friend signs up through that link. And then they just need to install the Jarvis extension and log in. That's it. That single action counts as one successful invite, and you'll see it tracked live in the invitations table below, showing their name, when they joined, and their status. Now let's actually look at what you're unlocking, because this is the part that surprised me the most. Once you're in the chat page, click on the model selector at the bottom. This is where the real value is. You've got GPT-4o Mini and full GPT-4o from OpenAI. You've got Gemini 1.5 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Gemini 2.0 Flash from Google. Then Claude 3 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic, which normally require a separate paid subscription entirely on their own. Keep scrolling, and you'll find DeepSeek Chat and DeepSeek R1, the reasoning model everyone was talking about earlier this year. Then all 4 Perplexity Sonar models, including Sonar Pro and Sonar Reasoning Pro, which are usually locked behind Perplexity's own $20 a month plan. And here's the one most people don't expect. Grok 3 Beta and Grok 3 Mini Beta, Elon Musk's AI model, sitting right there in the same dropdown. It doesn't stop there. You also get Llama 3.1 70 billion and 405 billion parameter models, Llama 3.3, Qwen 2.5 coder for programming tasks, Qwen 3, and a couple of specialized models built for planning and reasoning tasks. That is more than 20 premium AI models, all in one interface, all unlocked through the same free subscription. Think about what that actually replaces. If you wanted Claude Pro on its own, that's around $20 a month. ChatGPT Plus, another $20. Perplexity Pro, $20 more. Add those up over a year, and you're looking at over $700 just to get individual access to 3 of these tools separately. Here, you're getting all of them, plus Grok, plus Gemini, plus a dozen open source models most people have never even tried, in a single account for the price of a few friends clicking a link. Now here's the bonus tip I promised you at the start, and honestly, this is the part most tutorials on this platform completely skip. In the left sidebar, there's a tab called Boat. Click on it. If you're a new account, you'll see it's empty, no bots created yet. But click the Create Bot button in the top right, and a form pops up that lets you build your own custom AI assistant. You give it a name, let's say Customer Support Bot, or Study Buddy, or whatever you need. Then in the instructions box, you tell exactly how to behave. For example, you could type, always respond with simple explanations and give real examples, or always respond in a specific tone. Below that, there's an optional knowledge base section, where you can add your own knowledge sources, meaning you can feed it your own documents or data so it answers based on information you actually provide, not just general knowledge. And finally, you pick which model powers your bot. You can choose GPT-4o Mini for speed, or switch it to Claude or Grok if you want stronger reasoning. Once you're happy, hit Create, and just like that, you've built a fully custom AI assistant, trained the way you want it, running on a premium model, for free. This alone would normally require a developer account and API costs on other platforms. Here, it takes about 60 seconds. Now, let's go back to the main chat page, because once your premium is unlocked, this is where you'll actually spend your time. At the bottom, there's the input box where you type your question. Right above it, you'll notice small icons, an attachment icon to upload files, a lightning icon for quick tools, a globe icon that lets the AI search the web in real time for current information, a microphone for voice input, and an image icon if you want the AI to generate visuals for you. If you type a / inside the input box, a prompt library pops up instantly, giving you ready-made prompts for writing, coding, brainstorming, and more, so you never have to stare at a blank screen wondering what to type. And at the very bottom left, you'll see a small counter with a fire icon. That's your token usage, so you always know exactly how much you have left. Once your premium kicks in from the referral rewards, that usage limit essentially disappears for the models included in your plan. One more thing worth mentioning, if you switch models mid-conversation, Jarvis keeps your chat history intact, so you can literally ask GPT-4o a question, not love the answer, and immediately switch to Claude or Grok to compare responses, all in the same thread. That alone is something you can't do on the individual apps, since ChatGPT only gives you ChatGPT. And Claude only gives you Claude. Everything you just watched, the signup, the referral link, the models, the bot builder, all of it is completely free once you hit those invite numbers I showed you earlier. So let's recap exactly what you need to do. Go to jarvis.cx, sign up for free. Click on Referral in the sidebar. Copy your unique link and send it to 3 friends for 1 month of premium, or 7 friends for a full year of Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity, and 20 more premium AI models, completely free. If this saved you money, or if you're planning to try this yourself, drop a comment below and let me know which model you're most excited to use. And if you found this useful, subscribe, because I'm going to keep testing free AI tools like this every week, so you never have to pay for something you didn't need to. See you in the next one.